Welcome to the Whimsical Workshop. It is that time of year here in the studio where we start thinking about getting organized for 2022. So let's get started. In this video, I want to share with you a few of the videos that will be upcoming for organizing, and I want to announce a really exciting giveaway. So if you hang in there till the end of the video, I will tell you how to enter to win one of these beautiful bags. So this is how I start every fall. We start to slow down. I start getting the itch. I'm like, okay, I've now had, 11 months in the studio. It is a working studio. There's a ton of stuff coming in and out. Now I've added the YouTube video studio on top of it. It needs a reset every year. And I really think that's something that we can all use in our creative spaces to kind of get rid of the old, look at the new, push it forward, find stuff that you knew you wanted to work on but got buried under other things. That's kind of what I do at the end of the year. Because we are finally at a place where we can start going back out there, taking classes, going to retreats. I'm starting to travel, doing lectures and workshops again. I thought the first part of this Let's Get Organized series should be about sewing and creating on the go. I have been a customer of Yazzii bags for about 10 years. These are beautiful craft bags that are designed from a company in Melbourne, Australia called Yazzii with 2 I's. And I have purchased them over the last 10 years, but this last summer she reached out to me and asked would I be interested in a few bags to share with you guys, as well as sponsoring a giveaway, which is what I'm going to talk about at the end. To kick off our Let's Get Organized series, I want to quickly show you these bags, talk about why I like these bags for my crafting and traveling, and then talk to you about the giveaway. So Yazzii sent me 3 bags. The first one was this guy, which is the craft box. And I've started using this one to carry my art supplies, my sketchbook, my watercolors, things for when I'm on the go if I still want to create some art. They also sent me the compact craft organizer, which I also use. I'm going to show you this one. I'll just pop it open. I use this one for sliding it in my backpack when I'm going on the plane or in the car. It has everything basic to just start sketching. I don't have paints and everything else in here. I have pens and color pencils, and this is my quickie throw it in my backpack and go art supplies. They sent me the Deluxe Craft Storage Bag right here, and this one is holding all of my hand sewing projects. And they sent me the Maxi Yazzii bag, which is this big guy right here, and this is holding all of my lecture and workshop props and tools that I use when I do my lecture on a few of my favorite things. I used to have to pull all the inventory and then pack them for each lecture. Now I have everything in one bag, so next time I go do this lecture I can just grab the bag and I know it's ready to go, and I won't get there and realize I had forgotten something. So those are the ones that they were kind enough to send me. The ones I already owned was this guy, which is the mini craft organizer. This one is holding all of my sewing machine notions. I keep this at my machine, but then when we're ready to go to a retreat or teach a class, I just zip it up and take it, and I know I have everything I need for my machine because I use it every day. So that is what this one is. This little guy here, he's so cute. This is the petite organizer. This also I use for hand sewing, but this only has one project in it. I can throw it in a backpack, I can throw it in a tote bag and take it when I can't take the big guy. I know I already have one ready to go for just one project. And then the last one is this guy here. This is my Crafter's Companion. This has been my old faithful. I've had this for years and years and years. It's held up beautifully. You can see it hasn't gotten worn. The zippers are fine. Everything is good. These all are very durable bags. So that's a quick tour of the bags we have here in the studio. They all are available in different colors. The color range from them, I'm going to read off the list because I cannot remember them, is the aqua, which is this. They have black, which is a really nice midnight black. I don't have a sample of that one. Fuchsia, which is this really pretty pink. I'm a pink girl. I like the pink. Then they have green, which is more like a mossy, yellowy green. It's very pretty if you like earth colors. It's a great color to pick. They also have maroon and navy, both very jewel tones, very rich. And then they have purple, which you can see I tend to pick purple quite a bit. I have a lot of purple here. So those are the colors they come in. The reason I love these bags is one, they're soft-sided, so they're lightweight, so they don't add more weight to my luggage already, and they're easier to carry. Very, very well made. The zippers are, like I said, are excellent. They have all kinds of compartments, but the compartments are all see-through. So I can flip through here and see what's in each pocket without having to dig through them. And they're thin enough that even though I might be tempted to overload a pocket, you're not gonna overload it. So you're gonna have one layer of stuff to look at. So I really do like that about them. And then they all have different types of compartments. They utilize all of the space with zippers. These pouches are attached, they're sewn in. Some of them, this one here has like loose pouches that you can stack up in there. And they have different layouts. So finding the right arrangement to find the perfect bag, you have lots of choices to do that. So those are the reasons I like these. Again, very, very easy to travel with these. I used to have a hard-sided case I used, and it was like hard to pack it in my suitcase, added extra weight. So these are very nice for that. I also like they don't seem to, knock on wood, they don't seem to pick up dirt. They seem pretty, I mean, I know they're gonna get dirty, they're fabric, but they do seem to be very good at not picking it up like a magnet. I don't know if you know what I mean by that, but like some fabrics, it's like you look at it, it gets a spot. Again, this one here, I have been traveling with this guy forever. And you can see he looks clean and new and lovely, just like the day I got him. Those are the reasons I love these bags. So now let's talk about the series coming up. So this is obviously this video to kick everything off and to tell you about the giveaway, as well as to share with you my ever-growing collection of Yazzii bags, because it's getting bigger and bigger. And I also wanted to share the first round of videos in our Let's Get Organized series. The first one after this, we are gonna go over, whoops, where are they? We are gonna go over our hand sewing bags, how I pack to take the hand sewing on the road, what I put in my bags, how I organize it in my bags, and how these tips hopefully will help you the next time you're planning a trip. The next in the series will be the machine sewing bags. We're gonna talk about how to set up a quilting go bag, what a go bag is, and then how to be ready to run out the door. If an emergency retreat comes up and you don't have time to pack, you can grab your bag and go. So we're gonna talk about that in another video series. And then the third series, I'm going to talk about how and why I pack my art supplies and what I take and where I take it, thinking about where we're gonna go, I think about where we're gonna go, where will I be creating, what kind of surface will I have? Will I be in my lap or will I have a table? And also, how long am I gone? How much of this stuff do I really need to bring with me? That is a sneak peek of the video series we're going to do for crafting on the go, and I hope you join me for those videos. If you are interested in any of those videos, make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell. The bell will alert you when I have a new video. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe, it just lets YouTube know that you're interested in watching these videos. So now that we've got that, let's talk about the giveaway, because I know that's why you guys all stuck around, right? So for the giveaway, Yazzii has very generously donated a bag like this for you guys. It is the Deluxe Craft Organizer. It retails at $101.75, so it's a $100 bag. It's beautiful, and it's well worth it, because if you think about, if you've sewn a bag, which I know I've got sewers out there, how much time and effort it takes to sew one of these, and then to have it be high quality product on top of it. So the bag that we're giving away has two zippered compartments, and then inside the top one, we've got the big zipper pouch in the back. We have these little flippy zips. There are 8 of these. All the way down. And then there's another zipper compartment in the bottom. That's the top section. You see already there's 10 zipper compartments just in the top. And then in this middle, the bottom one, we have yet another big zipper compartment. We have 1, 2, 3 bigger zipper compartments. One back here is 4. And then over here where I have all my threads, there is a bracelet roll that comes with this in case you want to use it for jewelry, but you can also, if you're a crafter, you can use that as a pin cushion. I tend to pull that one out and put my threads here, so I'm not using it, but just know that that is there. This is the giveaway that we are running this week. It goes until November 30th, midnight. So make sure you follow the link below the video, and that will take you to the place where you can enter. There's multiple ways to enter, lots of different chances to win the bag. I will announce the winner on December 1st and contact them personally. And that announcement will go out on our social media, which is Instagram and Facebook, which also will be linked below, so you can start following me on either of those channels. So that was a lot of stuff. I am so excited for 2022. We've got so many things planned for you guys. This is will be my 3rd year on YouTube, and I think I finally got the equipment down and all the ins and outs of it, that I actually have now made a full plan for 2022 of a lot of events, projects, and hopefully videos you guys are going to really want to watch all about creating. So with all of that, I want to thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.